pulling strings like a puppeteer. Used to wanna be the best, took some grabs at it, but I'd rather be right here on the side, taking stabs at it. My shit hot, yeah, early summers in June. Keep my all rise and fall like the sun and the moon. And the game gotta change, cause this shit is repetitive. Cause this shit is too easy, dog, it's anyone competitive. I'm trying to be out there, copping them euros, until I'm these 5 boroughs, keeping it thorough. A businessman, a connoisseur, all the kind of sorts. Really good with this writing, just expressing through my train of thought. Look, I'm heavy when it's out of the spot. Listen, my kingdom will reign whether you with me or not. Check it, I see your technique's good, but you slide off. Give me the proper beat and I'll snap, because I'm slide off to the mat. You whacking, you sign, you attacks right off. You brain dead, I can tell by the situation you write off. The best of NY, you better mention me. Got balls for centuries, call me the penitentiary. It's pitiful, the questioning of your reality's real. Spitting up nuclear mucus, dog, I'm Kim Jong-il. Eating every single track until I have my fill. Straight from everybody plate until I have my meal. You stay thinking you strong, and you should try it. A newbie to the game, a David amongst Goliaths. See, honestly, don't give a fuck what the weakest is. See, the strongest analyze them, expose their weaknesses. Different from mainstream niggas, I go harder after Coach Carter's. But won't lose like Coach Carter. I need to be in every magazine you read, and I'm enlightened. Catch me eating inside the Garden of Eden, nigga.
Garden of Eden.
What up?
Wow.
Southside, what up?
Yeah.
NY, what up?
Marksman, let's go. Yo, man, I'm bored. I'm about to record in the street. Hip-hop fans are falling asleep. Rappers stay real about as long as the beat. So as long as your song is on repeat, you're strong for the week. I remain strong for the weak. Hunger to eat, so she'll come to the sheets. Such drive, what a life, full throttle. I have fun just to see how fun it would be. Yeah, would be, could be, the last sun. How you expect to cover the heat? When you love hard, it's hard to recover. So stay sharp from one lover of art to another. I wonder, how in my dreams I feel thunder. Wake up electrocuted, trouble to sleep. Yeah, it's my heart muscle, hard hustle. Half mammal, part wuzzle, all struggle. Beastly performer, on it like a puzzle. Just trying to find peace on the corners. Expect plenty more raw heavy without any flaw this era isn't ready for. Attention, surprise, doesn't take intense pretensions to rise now. Because everyone's in disguise now. Can't risk being recognized now. Pressure and high measure. After the globe, take a throne. My pleasure. Let's go. Yo, holla if you feel me, fuck you if you don't. I be in the zone, watch me take your feelings and crush them at the bones. I'm living forever alone, the life of a motherfucking clone that you aim to be. Can't see a nigga bank like I'm chasing Stevie. Wonder if I drink, will the pain relieve me? It's hard living like a saint when you playing greasy. But it ain't what you think, I just play it easy. I'm a young nigga with the old soul. Never get caught slipping with the old hoe. Cause while you tryna lay the pimp card to rest, nigga, she contemplating ovulating with the next nigga. Bird vision from my high view. Plus I'm high too. Light together while niggas is doing light together. My ice to weather is vodka when it's sky blue. You say we don't do. A lot of niggas say but don't do shit. I do without say, never move without pay, never lose without a lesson learned. Same shit, different day.
Alright. Give everyone a round of applause. Alright, yeah. Okay, so everyone just go around one more time and tell everyone how you get at your highness.
Yeah, I'm your highness, man. Hit me up, YAHINESS, man. I'm on Google. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, I'm on
What's your Twitter?
Your Highness.
I love it, simple.
Yep.
Alright, Marksman, one more time.
At the Marksman, TheMarksman, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, every social network. The next Thursday, 105 Rivington Thursday. Meet us there.
We'll be there.
Yeah, man, your boy Joe Grace. Follow me at JAYCITYY. Young nigga with an old show doing it, Uptown Brooklyn. Shit.
Alright, well, thanks everyone. That was